Also, Naga people are so pretty, है ना?
I am dating one.
हाँ,
pretty-
Naga people are like both
Yes.
boys and girls very pretty. I don't think that I make you feel nice bad. It's the bus through. I'm the sad
So, did you like Kohima or Dimapur?
Naga people are also so nice.
Acha?
हाँ, they're so nice. We didn't go, like we didn't experience the culture properly, no? Because
If you had to describe Nagaland in 3 words, what would they be? What's one moment from this trip you'll never forget?
where I was supposed to shoot with Shania Kapoor, but
Yeah, Sung Jamish.
whole internet knows him as Mota Nepali.
This is so offensive.
No, but
for
it's so.
me.
आप तो कितने like Mahendra is so hard, Mahendra is so hardworking. Bishi bhala se.
Hey guys, what's up? How are you all? And look, the very famous influencer.
उतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं.
बट हमारे लिए तो इट्स अ वेरी प्राउड मोमेंट है लाइक नेपाली पीपल अच्छा लगता है जो हमारा कोई आगे बढ़ जाता है ना डोंट यू थिंक सो मेगा
I think so.
Up.
I agree.
ऑलराइट देन मेगा इज अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल इन्फ्लुएंसर
Kind of.
एंड द वेरी फेमस मेगा थीम सो मेगा व्हाई डोंट यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ कि आप कौन हो क्या करते हो प्लीज टू माय ऑडियंस
Guys, एक मिनट, एक sip.
मैं भी पी लेता हूँ
Hi, I'm Megha. I am from Darjeeling, and currently I'm living in Mumbai, and I make content. I also have a business, and I'm also doing my masters.
so you have a business as well right so do you want to talk about your business what do you do Alright then, we'll skip that. I really wanted to ask you, being an influencer, how does it feel? I mean, is it very overwhelming और बहुत मुश्किल है कैसे होता है मतलब?
I've always been making videos since I was a kid, so video बनाते तो it comes naturally. But then मतलब getting recognized by people can be a little hard because I am kind of an introvert even though I speak a lot, but then I only speak with my friends and people I know and I'm comfortable with. So when people just talk to me, it's nice. It's not that I'm not saying that it's nice, but then I'm an awkward person and I feel like I would make them awkward as well. But then it's very nice. Like I feel nice, but then I don't think that I make you feel nice bad.
From the past couple of days, we've been hanging out, right? All of us. So I did not feel any of the awkwardness. You were really frank with us, and वो तो बहुत अच्छा लगा जो ये बोल रही है. I don't know क्यों but
No, with only few people I am
Alright.
comfortable, but with most people I'm not comfortable. I'm learning. I'm getting more comfortable each day.
But anyway, like I know a lot of people, they really want to get into content creation. मेरे को पता है आज it's very trending and it's very cool, right? It looks very cool and it is very cool. So, Megha, how did you start? I mean, if anybody wants to start, like what should they do?
Matlab, I think first of all they should start making videos. That's the base. I think they should start making videos and they should find what they want to make videos about.
अच्छा.
And they should find the reason that they want to make videos. No, it's not just that you want to be famous or you want to make money. Why do you want to make videos and what do you want to put out?
But I have seen whatever you said, it's absolutely correct. But जो मैंने देखा है, I have met a lot of people and उनके दिमाग में पहले ऐसा होता है कि hey, I want to make money. After that, like I'll make content, like because of that, it's sole reason. So does it work like that?
So they want to make money through content.
Out of content, yeah. Does it work like that or it should be the other way around?
No, but matlab, if your goal is clear that you want to make money, that is also fine. But then I think you should if you want to be really successful, you should do it for the love of the game, not for the money.
Yeah, true.
Even if you just want to make money, you can do content creation, but then I feel like you'll burn out eventually because it's very hectic doing something that you don't like every day. Because it's not that एक बार में हो जाता है. I've been making videos since I was a kid, so it's not that I blew up overnight. Now I have been doing it for so long, and even if I never blew up, I would still be doing it because I like doing it.
All it takes is one video, right?
All it takes is one video.
One video और जब तक वो नहीं आता, you have to keep on grinding, right? काम करते रहो.
And that is the hard part because you don't get recognized in one day or 2 days. It takes years. And sometimes maybe you do blow up overnight, but then it's a very rare case.
Alright. So, Megha, please tell people how many followers you have on Instagram.
I think I have 139,000 followers right now.
139,000, right?
Yes.
And I also want to ask you like आपने बहुत सारे YouTubers and content creators, you have met them, right?
हाँ, I met them.
So like, can you name some of the famous people like you met?
Guys, I don't remember, but then
Not just YouTuber, I mean like could be content creation like क्या कहीं से भी.
so I don't have a lot of influencer or content creator friends, but my friends are like Tashi, he's a streamer, Ingsel, he's a chef influencer. Then I have Shrinkal, he's also YouTuber, he's my friend. Then I have like Tanya Bedi, my friend, and Lakshmi Shetty. I like those are the people I consider friends. Others I know they are like I meet them, but they're not friends.
Okay, so have you ever met somebody who is extremely popular?
Shraddha Kapoor,
Oh yeah.
yeah,
And how was the experience?
it was nice. It was
मतलब कैसे मिले तुम लोग, मतलब क्या हुआ?
event में I was
अच्छा.
invited to this Neutrogena event and she was also there. I think Mumbai में तो you meet a lot of famous people. I was also invited to this Dot and Key thing where I was supposed to shoot with Shania Kapoor, but then I couldn't go because like I had to come to Delhi.
So there's one influencer, skincare influencer. Like she recently shot with Shania Kapoor. I think वही वाला बात बोल रही
हाँ,
होगी.
वही वाला Dot
That skincare brand का ना?
yes.
Yeah, Sung Jamish करके.
I don't know her, but I think
Yeah, like she's also very popular. So उसका देखा था मैंने शनाया कपूर के साथ ना. So यार तुम भी होते हैं वहाँ पे तो.
but then I am like not that into Bollywood, so it's fine.
But चलो सही है. And also you stay in Mumbai.
I stay in Mumbai for now.
ठीक है. So how's the overall experience in Mumbai?
I think it's nice. Mumbai is nice. I like Mumbai. I like beaches. I like Mumbai. It's safe also, very safe.
और ये ना हमेशा एक चलता आ रहा है बहुत पहले से, हमारे टाइम से.
Mumbai,
अब
Delhi.
मैं तो डायनासोर के टाइम का हूँ. मुंबई, दिल्ली, like what is it? I mean, why?
Delhi people, I'm so sorry, but I think Mumbai is better. But I have more friends in Delhi, but then Mumbai is better.
कैसे? How?
Because I feel
Safe.
Mumbai is very safe. And Delhi, it's like very hot. And every time I come, it's a personal experience. Every time I come to Delhi, I get headache. Like until I go away from Delhi, I get headache.
अच्छा.
So I like Mumbai better.
अच्छा. So I was also staying in Mumbai for 3 months, so it's kind of chill. It's not like Delhi ना. Delhi में थोड़ा I see when I was in Mumbai, मेरे को ऐसा हो गया था कि मैं दिल्ली कब जाऊँगा, because I love Delhi man. मतलब मेरे लिए बहुत अलग experience था वहाँ पे. It was very chill. So Delhi people, I'm not used to that chill life. ठीक है. मेरे को hectic life बहुत पसंद है, तो इसलिए मेरे को दिल्ली बहुत पसंद है. वो तो मेरा personal opinion.
Also, why I like Mumbai is because Mumbai never sleeps and I also never sleep. So I can always go out and there will be food and then I will be safe and I can eat the food. So I love Mumbai.
Yeah, that's what. ये भी मेरे friend ने एक बार बोला था कि ना मुंबई never
Actually
sleeps.
never sleeps. Like,
Yeah,
actually never sleeps. Like you can go out any
4 AM में बाहर गया था, सब on, सब खुला
everything
है.
खुला है.
यार वो तो best part है मुंबई का ना. Apart from beaches, तो अच्छा है. So जो influencing platform है, ठीक है, तो आपने क्या हमेशा से did you always thought of like hey I want to become an influencer? If not then what? क्या करना था?
No, even though like now I'm considered an influencer, I still don't want to become an influencer. Kind of like I feel like if like I feel like very restricted with titles, so I have never wanted to become anything. If I'm honest about it, I like to do things. I've always done so many different things at the same time. I've done freelancing since I was in college. But then I've never like wanted to be an influencer. I have wanted to make videos, and I do, and I think I'll continue making videos. But it's not that I wanted to become an influencer. I don't want to influence people. I just want to make videos.
But people are getting influenced anyway, right?
Yes, and that's the like byproduct. But I've never wanted to be an influencer. I never did it for the free products or money. I just did it because I like making videos.
Yeah, ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. मतलब and also I want to ask you, Instagram or YouTube में से which one is more beneficial for the people who are starting?
I think starting मतलब Instagram is like people look at you, you go viral, people forget about you. YouTube is for long term. I feel like YouTube में your audience actually care about you, but I think breaking into Instagram is easier than breaking into YouTube.
Alright, because it's very quick ना Instagram
It's
तो.
quick, like
Yeah. And also I have noticed brand collaborations ना Instagram में ज़्यादा आता है. है ना, ऐसा क्यों है, बट मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बट
बिकॉज आई थिंक वो जल्दी जल्दी दिखता है ना, यूट्यूब में तो यू हैव टू वेट फॉर लॉन्ग लाइक डेडिकेटेड फुल वीडियोस तो नहीं होता है ना
अच्छा,
ब्रांड का मिडल में, तो आई थिंक इट्स इजियर फॉर ब्रांड्स आल्सो।
तू स्पेसिफिकली ब्रांड के बारे में बात करो, वही है ना।
आई एम नॉट श्योर गाइस।
ऑलराइट मेगा थिंक, मैं सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात तो आपसे पूछना भूल गया, वीडियो बनाना कब से स्टार्ट किया आपने?
So I was making videos. Okay, once again, I was making videos right when I was like really small. Like when my father first got the camera वाला phone होता है ना जो, तब से I was making videos. I used to like run around taking interview of small kids, and I used to make videos of them falling down. होता है ना वैसा वाला. And then even when I grew up a little, I used to make Tupperware ads for my mom. Like वो उसका जरूरत नहीं था. I used to do it अपने आप ही. मैं सबसे मेरे cousins देखते थे. I used to do that. No. Then I went to college and I was in mass communication, and we had like lots of projects, and I was making videos for that. And then I was doing freelancing as a wedding videographer, as a wedding photographer, and I was making music videos for YouTubers. And then I was also making videos on the side for my friends, like वो होता है ना meme जैसा वो funny videos. हाँ,
वाइन वीडियोस चला था ना पहले, the funny
I
videos.
was doing that. But like how I started like blowing up is last year September. So I had to like shift. I have to shift, and I have to shift from my 3 BHK to 2 BHK, and I was feeling very lazy. So I was like, if I make video, then even if I like pretend to just shift, then it will help me motivate. So I did that, and that video started blowing up. So I was like, why not make a series? So I made a series. And the I think third video जो जापान वाला था, it really blew up. Like
Yeah, that was very funny, but
हाँ.
है ना, there's one specific tagline ना.
हाँ.
What is that?
चूतिया हो क्या भाई? चूतिया हो क्या भाई?
That was really funny. I think वो that word, that sentence ना, वो बहुत relatable है लोगों से ना, तो that's why everybody got connected. My friend ना गौरव, he already knew कि अरे ये तो बहुत फेमस इन्फ्लुएंसर है, और अच्छा दिखाओ करके, बट बहुत अच्छा लगा ये सुन के ना, लाइक यू गॉट सो सक्सेसफुल, और भी नेपाली bunch. So that was it for the influencing part. Recently you were in Nagaland, right? So how was it? How was the experience?
I think I love Nagaland so much, especially the food. I think food was crazy good.
Okay.
So like I have a Naga friend, वो हमको वो एक बना के देती है dish. So I was already like pretty sure in my mind कि I will enjoy Naga food. And then because I don't like food in Mumbai at all, I don't like North Indian food, and I don't like food like Mumbai, Delhi का खाना. I don't like. So,
मसाला ज़्यादा होता है
हाँ,
इसलिए.
But then I went to Nagaland. I was so happy कि खाना इतना अच्छा था मेरे दिमाग में ये वो खाना इतना अच्छा था.
स्पाइसी नहीं लगा तेरे को खाना वहाँ
I
पे?
love spicy food.
मतलब एक्सट्रीम स्पाइसी नहीं लगा?
I तो love extreme. I eat extremely spicy food.
अरे यार मतलब when I was in Nagaland ना, तो I used to tell people like ये रेस्टोरेंट में ना प्लीज स्पाइस मत डाल.
मेरे को तो पता था नागा खाना बहुत स्पाइसी है, इसलिए I was so excited. Yeah, अभी तो मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइसेस मांगना भी नहीं पड़ेगा.
So for how many days you were in Nagaland?
I did 7 days.
ठीक है, so मतलब what were you doing there, man?
Wait a second, guys. So I have a friend named Negisi. She asked me like if I wanted to tag along with her to Nagaland with her friend, because she was going with a friend. No, so because like वो मेरे साथ जब भी मैं बोलूँ वो जहाँ भी जाती हूँ मैं तो okay. And then Negis ने बोला मैं दूसरे लोगों को पूछ, मैंने बोला okay. Then so everybody was like हम चलते हैं Nagaland. So then we went.
Okay.
Nagaland. Plan नहीं है कुछ हाँ, और हम चले गए. And me and Negisi we went by train because I was scared of the flight that time.
हाँ वो.
And 2.5 days we traveled by train, and then we like because हम लोगों ने किसी ने मेरे सोचा हम ट्रेन से जा रहे हैं तो हम इन लोगों से थोड़ी देर ज़्यादा रहते हैं. So like we went 2 days before, we reached 2 days before our friends, and we stayed in this really nice Airbnb. And जब हमारे दोस्त आए तो हम बकवास होटल चले गए.
अच्छा, बकवास होटल?
हाँ, क्योंकि सस्ता है ना.
अच्छा.
तो 2 दिन के लिए तो हमने बोला कि एयरवेन, फिर हम बकवास होटल, फिर वी वेंट टू लाइक दिस थिंग कॉल्ड NAJ, नाच का एनिमे समथिंग एनिमे कॉस्प्ले वो इवेंट होता है. तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का, तो हम वहाँ चले गए नागालैंड में. वहाँ पे एंड वी वेंट टू जुको वैली एंड वी लाइक थ्रिफ्टेड फॉर सो मेनी डेज.
So most of the days you were in Kohima, I guess, right? क्योंकि वहाँ पे एनिमे कल्चर बहुत एक्सट्रीम है, right? And they are pretty good. एनिमे तो उनका बहुत इंटेंस है यार, मतलब
अच्छा था. लाइक
I saw मतलब कैसे कोई इवेंट नहीं था, but I saw a random girl विद साइलेंट हिल का वो पिरामिड है ना, पिरामिड हेड, वो वाला कॉस्ट्यूम से जा रहा था, तो इट वाज सो रियल मैन, बहुत सही है।
Northeast people are crazy with cosplay because I went to like Comic Con ना, so I was like, मेरे दोस्त बोल रहे थे, मैं तो बोल रहे थे मेरे को तो इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है, मैं Comic Con देख रहा नेशनल लेवल, अब क्या आई, but then I was like, everybody was like, wait, I went and I was like so shocked, it was like so good.
एकदम एग्जैक्ट होता है ना।
उससे भी बेहतर, I think I would like agree that cosplays were like better and performances were also like so much better.
Alright.
Northeast people, I think anime culture में तो like they are like anime and fashion, I think
nobody can beat. Nobody can beat. Yeah, that's true. Word. Nobody can beat Northeastern people when it comes to fashion and cosplays.
Like, extremely good. Like, I was like so shocked. Like, this is not even national level, but they are like crazy good performances. Be like, you have to go to stage and perform. No, it was like so good, so well performed.
तो ये यहाँ पे you just said you were thrifting also. So मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं है कोहिमा में जब मैं था ना क्या कैसे, तो where do you find this kind of clothes यार, like where can you thrift?
So वो वहाँ पे वो था, एक बड़ा सा बिल्डिंग, कोहिमा ट्रेड सेंटर.
कोहिमा ट्रेड सेंटर.
It's like a whole ass building, mall जैसा, and they're just like thrift stores.
मुझे किसी ने नहीं बताया यार. Nobody told me. ये क्या है? Poppy? It's a building. It's a mall, right? Mall है क्या? कैसे?
मॉल ही, थ्रिफ्ट मॉल ही बोल सकते हैं.
Thrift mall.
बिल्डिंग, हाँ.
यार देख जाना पड़ेगा मेरे को ना. Is it good? मतलब अच्छा है?
Like it's like आपको लक में डिपेंड करेगा, and you have to like fight for it.
अच्छा.
You have to like want it. हाँ,
तभी
मिलेगा.
And prices वगैरह सब good.
Prices like in कोहिमा में little expensive, but दीमापुर is like cheap.
अच्छा.
दीमापुर में थ्रिफ्ट are cheaper.
अच्छा, तूने दीमापुर में भी थ्रिफ्ट किया है?
हम तो जहाँ गए सब जगह थ्रिफ्ट किया.
अरे वाह. बट दिल्ली से बेटर है क्या?
दिल्ली से तो बहुत ही बेटर है. आई थिंक लाइक नॉर्थ ईस्ट, दार्जिलिंग इज ऑल्सो लाइक, आई थिंक वन ऑफ, आई एम सो सॉरी नागालैंड, आई लव यू, बट देन आई थिंक दार्जिलिंग इज बेटर प्लेस टू थ्रिफ्ट.
अच्छा, नो.
बट लाइक जूते नागालैंड इज बेटर. You don't get like shoes in Darjeeling.
Okay.
But then clothes, तो you get crazy clothes and crazy cheap. Darjeeling में तो you can thrift for like 10 rupees also, bro.
10 rupees?
10 rupees!
10 rupees में क्या मिलता है आजकल?
Like you get dress, कपड़े ही मिल जाते हैं.
10 रुपए में?
10 रुपए में भी मिलते हैं दार्जिलिंग में, स्ट्रीट्स में.
मतलब बहुत खराब हालत होगा, फटा.
नहीं, it's like good only. You just have to pick it.
यार ये तो जाना पड़ेगा 10 रुपए में, मतलब 1000 रुपीज में तो योर बिजनेस सेट हो जाएगा.
हाँ, हो जाएगा. I had a thrift business as well जब मैं दार्जिलिंग में थी.
अरे वाह, अच्छा चला.
अच्छा था.
फिर तो सबको प्रॉफिट मार्जिन का भी पता चल जाएगा आपको. 10 रुपए का तो
नहीं, सब तो 10 रुपए का नहीं था. तो महंगा भी होता है, बट यू गेट 10 रुपए में भी.
अच्छा, ठीक है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर थ्रिफ्टिंग इन नागालैंड, how was Zuko Valley?
Zuko Valley was so like crazy. It's like you are in another planet only.
अच्छा.
So nice. And then it was raining and we were praying that पानी ना पड़े, बारिश ना हो, और नहीं हुआ. We were so lucky and I was like, you are so lucky because it was raining crazy. But जब जिस दिन हम गए 2 दिन बारिश नहीं हुई. मैं
ना प्लान कर रहा हूँ जुको जाने का. तो मेरे से पहले जब कोई जाता है ना जुको, तो मैं उसको ना बालकनी से बाहर फेंक देता हूँ. ठीक है. बट जोक्स अपार्ट, बट मैं फर्स्ट टाइम जाऊंगा. सो एनी मतलब डू यू हैव एनी एडवाइस फॉर मी, लाइक व्हाट शुड आई डू?
यस, जब आप ऊपर जा रहे होंगे और ऊपर के लोग नीचे आके बोलेंगे कि ओ माय गॉड ये तो बस स्टार्ट है, अभी तो 5 घंटे, वो लोग झूठ बोल रहे हैं. 5 घंटे नहीं है.
अच्छा, कितना है?
2 घंटे.
मैं ना पढ़ रहा था तो लोग बोल रहे थे 6-7 आवर्स लगता है ट्रैक पे.
नहीं, लाइक हम तो फुल वीडियो कर रहे थे, हमने ताश खेल रहे थे, हम अपने दोस्तों के लिए रुक रहे थे, फिर वी कवर्ड इन 2.5 hours. इतना डराया हम लोगों को ना जब हम ऊपर जाते, दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग, अभी तो 5 घंटे बाकी है और ऐसे स्टीप चढ़ा है. और वी आर सो स्केर्ड ना, मेरे दोस्त तो आधे से निकलने वाले. मी एंड वी हैड टू कन्विंस, नहीं हम जाएंगे ना, मतलब सिर्फ 2.5 hours है. पर अब जब हम नीचे आ रहे थे तो हम बदला ले रहा, हम सबको अभी तो बस शुरुआत है, अभी तो 7 घंटे.
तुम लोगों ने भी ऐसे ही किया?
हाँ.
अबे यार,
वही है सर्कल, सब लोग ऐसे करते हैं.
ये तो बहुत अच्छा एडवाइस है. अब कोई भी अगर मेरे को बोलेगा ना, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बिलीव. आई एम लाइक ओके, ठीक है.
आपको जाना चाहिए. और हमने तो नहीं, मेरे दोस्त ट्विंकल ने एक बेचारा बुढ़ा सा बुढ़ा एक ग्रुप था ना, उनको बोला आप नहीं चढ़ पाएंगे, ये तो अभी 7 घंटा बाकी ऊपर है. हम बोला था आप लोगों को 7 घंटा लगे तो हमको तो अभी 1 दिन ही लग जाएगा.
पर तुम लोगों ने झूठ बोला ना.
हाँ.
अरे यार, तुम तो बुढ़ा लोग को बेचारा, मतलब उसका तूने होप्स एंड ड्रीम्स खत्म कर दिया वहीं पे.
पर वो खुश हो जाएंगे जब वो जल्दी पहुंचेंगे ना.
बट It's really beautiful, right?
It's really beautiful. I think it's worth it.
So guys, ये एकदम से एकदम spawn हो गया यहाँ पे ये, ठीक है? So while having food, अब तो थोड़ा थोड़ा refreshment. Now you can tell me, मतलब how many days did you stay there?
Zuko Valley में तो we stayed one night. Okay, but Zuko Valley is very expensive.
Okay.
And Google Pay नहीं चलता. Like there's no network, so you have to bring cash.
Cash, okay.
और हमारे पास तो कैश ही नहीं था.
तो फिर कैसे हुआ फिर?
तो हमारे 2 दोस्तों के पास कैश था, तो उनका कैश हमने चलाया और थैंकफुली था, और उनसे हम बाद में जाके लौटाया.
लौटाया भी?
हाँ, मैंने
But वो तो
अभी तक नहीं
दोस्त है ना?
लौटाया. मैंने अभी तक नहीं लौटाया कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, पर मैं लौटाऊंगी.
This overall experience is very good, right? तो it's worth it.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
और वहाँ पे तो जो खाना भी मिले इतना टेस्टी लगता है कि हमने सादा दाल भात एंड आलू, वो जो सिर्फ फ्राई के आलू होता है ना, वो था, पर इतना टेस्टी था. पर टेस्टी नहीं भी था तो भी टेस्टी लगता है.
तो ये वहाँ पे कैंपिंग का जो है, मतलब it's हम अपना लाके we can camp there, right?
You still have to pay.
That is fine, है ना? थोड़ा अपना privacy वाला camping, because I'm planning for that big.
तो वो अच्छा वाला.
हाँ, जिसमें living room भी होता है.
My is very bougie.
बूझी बूझी, अबे यार एक तो. But anyway, thank you so much for calling me बूझी. ठीक है, then एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, ये भी it's very controversial, okay? Just like Mumbai and Delhi.
हाँ, पूछिए.
Did you like Kohima or Dimapur?
Kohima, of course. Kohima is like better.
Better why?
Because Kohima में गर्म नहीं होता ना, Dimapur तो it's hot only.
अच्छा, it's because of that reason or something else?
और Kohima is like more happening.
Happening?
हाँ, ज़्यादा happening. Dimapur is like थोड़ा दूर है सब कुछ.
अच्छा.
Kohima में everything is pass, and then the weather is cool.
Yeah. And landscape also, यार कोहिमा का landscape भी अच्छा है. चलो then, your trip to Nagaland was a success, right?
A big success. We had fun. We had so much fun.
ठीक है then. मैं आई से. Slowly आई से.
And Naga people are also so nice.
अच्छा?
हाँ, they're so nice.
बहुत जल्दी नहीं याद आ गया तेरे को? Last में.
जब आप बोले थे तो Naga people are really nice. हाँ, they're very nice. Very sweet.
That's the one thing I noticed when I was in Nagaland ना. People. सबसे पहले तो इंटरेक्शन नहीं होता है ना लोगों से. People are so nice. मतलब छोड़ो, I don't want to compare. People are nice. I don't want to compare, but
मैंने आपने नहीं बोला पर मैंने सुन लिया.
मैं तेरे को 3 rapid fire question जैसा पूछ रहा हूँ. Okay, so it's a alright then. I want to ask 3 questions, and first is, if you had to describe Nagaland in 3 words, what would they be?
Crazy food.
हाँ.
Nice people.
Yep.
Zuko Valley. Live, love Zuko Valley. Zuko Valley, I think Zuko Valley तो मेरे like core memory है.
Okay.
I had so much fun.
Alright then. What's one moment from this trip you'll never forget?
I think the first time I reached Zuko Valley is like crazy good. I think everybody should go to.
It's Zuko Valley, na?
When we reached there, it was like so pretty. Oh, also, so okay, another moment also. It's like मैं cheat करके बोली थी. So जब हम Zuko Valley के ऊपर जा रहे थे ना, तो मेरा 2 दोस्त है, ध्रुव और टशी जो लोग जानते हैं उसको नाम से मोटा नेपाली से.
उसका असली नाम है क्या?
नहीं, उसका नाम टशी है, but the whole internet knows him as मोटा नेपाली.
This is so offensive.
No, but it's so it's so offensive, but it's funny. Okay, so वो दोनों इतना देर चल रहे थे, like they were like so below है ना, and like हमने तो like we lost hope कि वो लोग आएंगे. वो लोग हम लोग सोचा ये वापस चला जाएगा, और टशी तो इतना कंप्लेन बॉक्स है तो हमने सोचा ये वापस ही चला गया होगा, और ध्रुव भी चला गया होगा ना. तो हम ऊपर इतना वेट किया हमने, वी प्लेड कार्ड्स अभी भी नहीं आ रहा है, और नेटवर्क ही नहीं है, सो वी कांट कॉन्टैक्ट देम ना किधर है. तो हमने मैं श्रृंखल और नेगेसी वी पुट अ बेट अप कि ये लोग आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे ना. तो श्रृंखल ने बोला नहीं आएंगे, ये लोग चले गए, तो 1000 का बेट था.
अच्छा.
तो नेगेसी और मेरे लाइक अब दोस्त है, आई थिंक आई विल बेट फॉर देम. तो हमने बोला बेट करते, और जब हम भी पहुंचने वाले थे तो जब टशी और ध्रुव आया, मेगा बोला आई वाज सो हैप्पी, मेरे 1000 आ गए.
अच्छा, तूने जीत लिया ना बेट.
हाँ,
अच्छा,
और मिला पैसा. आई वाज सो हैप्पी.
और एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, यही प्रोसेस में जो था, जो भी जो मोटा नेपाली है वो पतला हुआ क्या आते मोटा ही रहा.
अभी भी मोटा है, उसका ब्रांड इमेज है, ही कांट बी पतला नेपाली, ही हैज टू बी मोटा नेपाली.
ऑलराइट देन, मोटा नेपाली, you have my full support. Okay. Alright then, third question, would you go back? If yes, which part would you want to explore more next time?
So like if we have the time to go back, and if we go back, I think we'll explore the village areas more because we didn't go, like we didn't experience the culture properly, you know, because we were
Okay.
staying in that town area. So like if we had time, we could go to village area and experience the culture properly.
All right, cool. Thank you. So, also I want to ask you for the trip advice. ठीक है, if anybody wants to go to Nagaland on a budget, so कैसे होगा उनका? Like, what would you advise? What are the do's and don'ts?
I think Nagaland तो is cheap only. Like why
अच्छा.
do you even need a budget? क्या ये?
कितने में हो जाता है?
मुझे लगता है 20,000 में तो आराम से हो जाएगा.
20,000 हो जाता है?
हाँ, because हम तो ट्रेन से गए थे, ट्रेन से आए थे. It was like cheap only, and then like stays are also cheap, and then food is also cheap.
Yeah.
I don't think it's anything, and you will buy something it's thrifted.
Yeah.
It's a very budgeted trip only.
बहुत बढ़िया यार. So it's मतलब बहुत accessible है ना
हाँ,
नागालैंड जाना.
accessible है. I think
So,
people should go.
good. अच्छा, so एक और मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ. Would you recommend taking the train again to Nagaland? Or-
Hell no. Take the flight. But if you have like lots of friends, then take the train. It'll be an experience.
Okay.
But then you will not do it again. But then it will be an experience.
So, all right, Megha. Did you make any local friends in Nagaland? कुछ टाइम मिला तेरे को?
Okay.
हाँ, तो पहले अचीव कर लो अच्छे से.
So I already had a friend in Nagaland, in Suren. I met her. And locals जो हमारे बगल में थे, जो हमारे होटल के रूम के बगल में थे, वो cosplayers. Like our group interacted with that group. Like I didn't interact much because मैं as when new people suddenly आते हैं तो I get like very introverted. So I was like I was talking but I was not talking that much. But then yeah, those were the people we interacted with.
Alright, तो बस कोई नया दोस्त तो नहीं बना ना? But if you go to rural areas ना
दोस्त तो
तब
नहीं, दोस्त तो नहीं.
can you say anything to my subscribers in Nagamese if you know?
नागामीज तो I don't know. मेरे दोस्तों ने सीखा but then I was like मैंने अब इन लोगों ने सीख ही लिया है तो मैं इन लोगों के बोले जाती हूँ. बिशी भाला से.
Yeah.
Hello Naga friends. Those Naga people are so pretty, है ना?
I'm dating one.
हाँ,
pretty-
Naga people are like both
Yes.
boys and girls very pretty.
Agreed. मैं तो डेट ही कर रहा हूँ.
आप तो नंबर 1 पहले लाइन में अग्री करने के
और
लिए.
क्या? कुछ भी नागालैंड मैं सबसे आगे. ठीक है. ठीक है. Like I really wanted to meet Megha and Megha is a friend of Ditchen.
Ditchen.
Ditchen तो सबको पता ही होगा. Ditchen come here. Ditchen is handling my camera आज के लिए.
आज का कैमरामैन.
So Ditchen, thank you so much मेरे को मेघा से मिलाने के लिए because we have similar interest ना video
हाँ.
shooting and
And yapping.
content. Yes. Yes, that is also true. And thank you so much मेघा, आपने टाइम निकाला.
Thank you so much मयंक मेरे को बुलाने के लिए.
बहुत मन था आपसे मिलने का.
मेरा
मैंने
भी.
फर्स्ट टाइम किसी सक्सेसफुल कंटेंट क्रिएटर से मैं मिला हूँ.
और लगा आपको मयंक क्या बोल रहे हैं आप सुन रहे हैं?
But it was so nice meeting you and I find you very inspiring. And
सेम आप तो कितने Mayank is so hard. Mayank is so hard working. Mayank every day like he's uploading YouTube and I'm like that's like so crazy because मैं तो एक हफ्ते में कभी-कभी एक रील भी अपलोड नहीं करती and Mayank एकदम consistent बन के एकदम
Daily
lock in होके
it's so tough, okay? You tell people how tough.
It's so tough. I can't even imagine आप every day shoot करते, every day edit करते, every day upload. It's like crazy.
Yeah, but
crazy है like
you need dedication for that.
Very.
And I love making videos and yes, I love to talk.
हाँ मयंक ने मेरे को इंस्पायर किया कि मैं YouTube चैनल खोलूँ तो मैं आप YouTube में आ रही हूँ.
हाँ, इसको खोलना चाहिए. एंड एक ना there's a stereotype कि जो हमसे यंग होते हैं they should learn from their elders. It's not the case. I have learned so much from Megha कि इतने young age में she is so successful. Like मैंने भी बहुत notes लिए like you know there's always a learning curve. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई बड़ा है तो उसी से सीखने को है. No, बड़े जो होते हैं वो भी सीख सकते हैं. And thank you so much for teaching me.
Thank you so much for teaching me as well.
Yeah, so we inspired each other, right? तो ये होता है असली influencing.
हाँ.
और डिचन आप कब स्टार्ट करो अपना YouTube चैनल?
I don't know.
और डिचन को भी करना चाहिए गाइस.
Yeah.
आप लोग एकदम कमेंट्स में इसको प्रेशराइज कर दी.
जब एक सर्कल फॉर्म हो जाता है ना जहाँ पे योर मयंक दादा इज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर, योर फ्रेंड इज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर, गौरव इज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर, तो कंसिडर करना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो प्लीज कंसिडर करो. बाकी हम लोग हैं हाइप करने के लिए. तो
I did, but my account got suspended.
पर अब ये फिर से आएगी.
आई थिंक गॉड इज टेलिंग यू टू ओपन अ यूट्यूब चैनल,
Yes.
है ना?
I'll try.
ठीक है,
Public mode.
तो ठीक है फिर मेघा प्लीज डू द ऑनर एंड एंड दिस व्लॉग.
Please सब्सक्राइब टू मयंक दास चैनल और कमेंट कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन बेल दबाइए और क्या क्या होता है यूट्यूब में,
बहुत कुछ होता है
शेयर लाइक एवरीथिंग। या नीचे जो बटन है सब ये सब
उसमें एक बटन डिसलाइक भी होता है।
नहीं, डिसलाइक को छोड़ के टिक 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 ऐसे कर दीजिए।
Alright then guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will definitely see you in the next one. Alright.
बाय
Bye
गाइस। मैंने तो आपका कॉपी किया, मैं भी हमेशा ऐसा ही करती हूँ। ठीक है